Imagine tuning into your favorite YouTube creator's live stream, the chat flying by at lightning speed, and you have something you really want to say. How can you break through the noise and make sure your message stands out? That's where YouTube Super Chat comes in, a dynamic feature that's transforming the way creators and fans connect in real time. YouTube Super Chat is an interactive tool designed to bring fans and creators closer together during live streams. Launched in 2017, Super Chat gives viewers the power to pay for their messages to be highlighted and pinned at the top of the chat window. No more getting lost among hundreds or even thousands of viewers. With Super Chat, your message pops in vibrant color, your name shines, and you're suddenly in the spotlight. It's your digital megaphone and a direct line to the creator. Here's how it works. When a creator goes live, viewers will see a $sign icon in the live chat window. Clicking on it opens the gateway to Super Chat. You choose the amount you want to contribute, anywhere from $1 up to $500. The more you give, the longer your message stays pinned, and the brighter it's highlighted. A $500 Super Chat, for example, will keep your message at the top for a full 5 hours, while a $100 chat stays up for 1 hour. The color of your message also changes based on your contribution, with higher amounts unlocking more eye-catching hues. But there's more! Alongside Super Chat, there's a playful twist: Super Stickers. These are animated images you can send along with your contribution. Super Stickers add a burst of fun and personality, catching the eye of both the creator and the entire audience. For creators, Super Chat is a game changer. It's not just about earning money. It's about building community, rewarding engagement, and turning passive viewers into active participants. Creators can respond in real time, give shoutouts, or answer questions directly. This real-time feedback loop encourages more interaction, and fans love being recognized for their support. There are some important details and rules to keep in mind. YouTube takes a 30% cut of every Super Chat, with the remainder going to the creator via their AdSense account. Contributions are non-refundable, and there are daily and weekly spending limits for viewers: $500 per day and $2,000 per week. As a creator, you need to be at least 18, have a monetized channel with at least 500 subscribers, and be located in a country where Super Chat is available. You'll also need to enable the live chat and Super Chat features in your YouTube Studio settings. So what's in it for the fans? Super Chat isn't just about getting noticed, although that's a big part of the appeal. It's also a way to show appreciation and support for the creators you love. Whether you want to ask a burning question, send words of encouragement, or simply make your presence known, Super Chat gives you a voice in the moment. For smaller creators, even modest Super Chats can be incredibly motivating and help fuel their passion to keep creating amazing content. To get the most from Super Chat, creators should always acknowledge contributions, respond to messages, and explain the feature to their audience. Transparency and engagement are key. When viewers feel seen and appreciated, they're more likely to keep coming back and supporting the channel. In a world where online interactions can feel distant, Super Chat bridges the gap, making live streams more personal, interactive, and fun for everyone involved. It's a win-win. Creators earn more, fans get attention, and the whole community vibes together. That's the magic of YouTube Super Chat, bringing the energy, connection, and excitement that keeps the social media world buzzing.